Hi and welcome back. If you look for an amazing dessert which involves only a few ingredients, then look no further. We present you the blueberry log cake. For this recipe we use flour, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, homemade blueberry marmalade, baking powder, sugar, eggs, and salt. We start by splitting the eggs. We beat the egg whites with a handheld mixer with 3 tablespoons of sugar until we get a firm foam. Then, in another bowl, we mix the egg yolks with the remaining sugar. When done, we pour the salt and the baking powder to the flour, and we gradually incorporate it in the mix. Lastly, we fold the egg whites gently into the batter. We spread the batter evenly on a tray. A silicone tray is perfect for this job because it makes life much easier when we remove the sponge cake. For the topping, we melt milk chocolate and dark chocolate. You can top it with any kind of cream or chocolate you want. We didn't add any whipping cream to it because we like it if it's a bit crunchy on the outside. Distribute the melted chocolate evenly on the cake. After the first layer, we let the cake rest for 15 minutes in the fridge and we pour the second layer of chocolate. This dessert is very easy to make and it's simply delicious. Try it out and let us know what you think.